Does wealth help win custody battles? Well, certainly, custody battles are long and very expensive affairs. And I can't say that wealth helps them, but it certainly pays the bills when those long, drawn-out battles occur. It doesn't necessarily give one person an advantage, because if one party is deemed a moneyed spouse and has more resources to fight that battle, the other party is entitled to an award of attorney's fees. So by making that application to the court and seeking attorney's fees from the moneyed spouse, the court's objective is to even the playing field. Is one party a preferred parent because they earn more money? Certainly not. The court does not see it that way. For the most part, they are blind to that because, frankly, if the party earning less money has custody, they're going to get a proper amount of support from the person earning more money. Private education, extracurricular activities. I'm going to address these two things separately. First, private education. That is not required under the statute. However, if a child has been in private education all their life and the parents have committed to this and agreed to this, the court may issue an order directing both parties to pay their fair share of that private education going forward. It is definitely fact-specific. Extracurricular activities are not part of the support statute. If the parties have had their children in an extracurricular activity for a long time, it can come up in the divorce action. For the most part, the court will not force it because it's not due under the statute. But 9 times out of the 10, people agree, and they agree to divide it in percentages of their income. In a high net worth case, how does the court ensure or view the best interests of the children? Frankly, there's no difference whatsoever. People may think there's a difference, but there's not. Money does not buy happiness, and the court does not see that if one party has more things for the children, that should favor them in some way. The best interest of the child is viewed the same throughout. Do they have a roof over their head? Do they have food in their mouth? Do they have clothes on their back? How are they treated by both parties? Is the custodial parent encouraging the relationship with the non-custodial parent? Is there a cohesive unit? Who is spending the time with the children? Who's making the doctor's appointments? Who's spending the quality time? Who's driving them around? Who's arranging their social calendar? Those are the kinds of things that the court sees and bases their determination upon. If you have questions regarding high net worth individuals and divorce and you're in New York, call us at the Sklavos Law Group.